Hey everyone! Today I will do some unboxing of my soil mix that I've ordered here in the website here in Canada. This is special soil mix for succulents, and it is also special soil mix for bonsai. I check it on their website and they have the kanuma, akadama, and some gritty soil. I used to order my materials at amazon.ca, but since there's no kanuma there, so I look around and I found this website here in Canada and I ordered it, and the shipping is so fast. I ordered this Tuesday and I received this Thursday. So I will do the unboxing and I'd like to share to all of you how it looks like. So let's start the unboxing. It's kind of a heavy box because of the the compact soil mix, and it's very good packaging. So usually they delivered through Canada Post and sometimes DHL or Purolator here in Canada. I ordered also some succulents online, and I will show you next time on my next videos some of those unboxing of the Korean succulents that I've ordered online. So let's see what's inside. Okay, oh, I have a free gift, and it says germination instruction for crepe myrtle tree seeds. Oh, it says free gift. Wow. So there's an instruction here on how to grow these myrtle tree seeds. I will follow this next time and try to grow this tree. So I'm so pleased with the service, with their customer service and gift to me. So here is the I think this is the net, or something like a plastic thing, plastic net to put on my pot. So I will just cut this in some portion and put it on my pots. And this is my first time that I've got kanuma, and since I follow all the posts in the Succulent Club Philippines, and I noticed that most of the successful succulents had kanuma, akadama, and I would like to try it to my collection. So I ordered 3 pounds, I guess. Oh yeah. So each package is 1 pound. So that is kanuma. It's a white kind of rocks. It's imported from Japan, and also this mixed soil of lava rocks, I guess. So different colors and sizes. So this is good because my seller used this kind of gritty soil, which she added also some akadama, kanuma, and some coconut coir. So I have coconut coir as well. I have vermiculite, and also I have akadama already that I ordered at amazon.ca. So this is like, I guess, 2 pounds or 1 pound, and the size of this is large. So All of this mix of rocks I will put for my succulents, because I have some kind of varieties that is coming from my cellar. So I think this is a very healthy soil mix for succulents. And since I grow my succulents indoors, this will be helpful with some grow lights. You know, is my first time to collect succulents, and I just follow all the tips and advices from the group, and I will see and update you for all of my progress with my succulent babies. So I hope you enjoy watching and have an idea on all of my soil mix. I already had previously my vermiculite and also my lava rocks. So I will set aside for this for a while, this myrtle tree seeds. But in due time, I will plant this, or because since the seeds needs to germinate right away because of the lifespan of the seeds, so I will follow the instructions and try to grow this on my own way. So I'm very happy with my purchase, and I hope you enjoy watching, and I will see you on your channel. Okay, so bye everyone.